Okay, this is Robert's bike. It's a 99 ZRX 1100. Go ahead and film me, Robert, just the way it is, while I take a ride in the street. Give this thing a whirl. The throttle stays. I gotta get that fixed.
Yeah, I don't know. I lubed up the cables before I put the carbons back on.
Horn's gone, right?
Check it out.
Yeah, it's not working.
Might be unplugged. Bike's been sitting a while. Choke still on?
Here we go, here we go.
You look good on there.